what if I told you you don't need to know how to code, you don't need an IT degree, and you don't need 6 months of study time to earn an AWS certification? The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam has 65 questions. The passing score is 700 out of 1000, and with a clear, focused plan, you can be ready in 3 weeks. That's exactly what this video gives you: the plan, the content, and the support to make it happen. Let's get into it. Before we talk about the plan, let me guess how you got here. Maybe you found a paid YouTube course on sale. You bought it, got excited, watched 3 videos, got confused, posted a question in the comment, and heard absolutely nothing back. Or maybe you went to YouTube and found 47 different videos in no particular order, half of them covering AWS services that are not even on the exam anymore. You spent more time figuring out what to watch than actually learning. Or maybe you bought a question bank, a set of practice questions that turn out to be recycled dump with no real explanations. You memorized answer without understanding a single concept. Sound familiar? You are not alone. And none of that is your fault. You used the wrong resources. In this video, we'll tell you what to study, how to study, what material to use, and a proven plan to pass your certifications in 3 weeks. Here is the honest breakdown of what most paid courses actually deliver. They promised a structured learning path. What you get is a random video with no clear sequence. You are left guessing what to watch next. These videos are generic and very high level. They promise exam focused content. What you get is hours of materials covering things that will never appear in a single question on your exam. AWS has changed their question style. No copybook style question. If you don't understand the concept, you will find yourself in a big trap. They promise instructor support. What you get is a comment box that nobody monitors. You ask a question at 9 p.m. today. Maybe someone replies it after 3 weeks. Maybe no one does. If you ask anything outside the course material, either they won't respond or you will get a hallucinated AI answer. And all of that, you paid for it. Some practice test seller will charge you after every 3 years for the same question set. The problem is not that you did not study hard enough. The problem is that most courses are built to sell, not to get you certified. This is our bootcamp and this is the YouTube playlist. We do not sell our bootcamp and you don't have to pay money to learn from us. We have the structured content module by module, and at the end of the bootcamp, we have enough question set for you to practice and get the confident. We intentionally keep this module small such that when AWS will change their course, we'll be able to easily switch that module or update that module instead of updating the entire bootcamp. Here are some testimonies from our students. We have the best certification bootcamp and our bootcamp surpasses paid AWS courses. We don't say this. All our students say this loudly in YouTube comment or in LinkedIn. If we try to present all the comments, then it make an hour-long video. If your comment is not part of this slide, then it does not mean we ignored you. We value your feedback and appreciations. All feedbacks are very valuable to us. We will feature your comment in a future video, so please commenting and encouraging us. Here is our website where we list all our upcoming and existing bootcamps. You don't have to pay or purchase. It's completely free. Our goal is to provide premium learning content for free. That's exactly why we built our bootcamp differently. First, everything here is structured and sequenced. Every single module in this course follow the official AWS exam guide. When you finish one module, you move to the next. We want you to apply this knowledge for your job or in real life use cases, not just pass the certification. That is why we cover all the modules in greater depth. If you complete Cloud Practitioner, you will be ready for Solutions Architect without much difficulty. Second, 100% exam coverage. Every domain, every task statement, every AWS service that's in scope for the exam. If it's going to be tested, it's in our bootcamp, and if it's not in the exam, then it's not here either. No fluff, no filler. Third, we have real practice test, not recycle question dumps. These are exam style questions which mimic the actual certification difficulty, and we written these questions to train you and think the way AWS actually write questions. This is a big difference and you will feel it when you sit the real exam. And fourth, the one that matter most, we are available. Drop a comment, send a message, ping us on LinkedIn, and you will get a real answer within 24 hours. Every questions, no exception. That is our commitment to you. Now let's talk about what you are actually preparing for, because knowing the exam structure changes how you study. The Cloud Practitioner Certification exam has 65 questions, but only 50 of them are scored. The other 15 are questions that AWS is testing for future exam. They don't count towards your result, but the catch is you won't know which one they are, so treat every question like it count. The passing score is 700 out of 1000. That means you don't need to be perfect, you need to be well prepared. You have 90 minutes, which is plenty of time for 65 questions, so don't rush, read every question carefully. Now let's review the exam domain and the weightage, because this is important. Domain 1, cloud concept, which is 24% of the exam. Domain 2, security and compliance, which is 30%. Domain 3, cloud technology and services, which is 34%. And domain 4, billing, pricing and support plan, this is just 12%. Here is what that means for you. Domain 2 and domain 3 together makes up to 64% of your entire exam, nearly 2/3. That's where we invest most of our time in this bootcamp, and that's where you should invest most of yours. Now let's review the in-scope and out-scope services. To access the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam guide, open any browser you want and type AWS Cloud Practitioner. The first item, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, from http://aws.amazon.com. This is the official certification guide. I'll click there. If you scroll towards the bottom, here you will see review exam guide. Let's click it. It will open AWS documentations. You can download the entire exam guide as PDF, or you can review from the web version. Here you have everything, the domain wise breakup, the most important in-scope and out-scope AWS services. Let's review the in-scope. We have topics like analytics, application integration, business application, cloud financial management. These are all services domain. And under each services, under analytics, we have Athena, EMR, Glue, Kinesis, OpenSearch, QuickSight, and Redshift. If you do not know what these services are, don't worry. We have detailed coverage for each and every services, the way AWS will test you and the depth AWS expect you to know. If I'll scroll bottom, we have all the service list here, one by one. And if I go towards the end, we have out of scope AWS services. That means these are the services from analytics domain like AWS Appflow, AWS Clean Room, AWS Data Exchange, AWS Data Zone. You don't need to know because these services will not appear in your certification. Now let's review the game plan or the study plan. Here is your complete 3-week plan. Week 1, first build the foundation. You are going through domain 1 and domain 2, cloud concepts and security and compliance. Don't rush this week. These two domains build the mental model you need for everything that comes after. If you understand why behind AWS, why businesses move to cloud, why security works the way it does, the service names in week 2 will make a lot more sense for you. Then week 2, learn the actual services. This is the heavy week. Domain 3 is the largest domain, 34% of the exam, and it covers every core AWS services like compute, storage, database, networking, AI and machine learning, and more. The key strategy here is to learn by the service category. Don't try to memorize a list of 50 services. Group them all the compute services together, all the storage services together, and understand how they relate to each other. Stay consistent this week. One module a day will get you through it. Then week 3 is for validation and pass. Spend the first 2 days finishing domain 4. It's only 12% of the exam and it is most straightforward domain: billing, pricing and support plan. Then from day 3 to 5, complete at least 6 practice test sets. Every set has 30 questions and you will get 180 questions. Treat it like a real thing or real exam. Day 6 and 7, review only the question domains you got wrong. Don't reread everything. Focus on your weak spot. One golden rule across all the 3 weeks: one domain at a time. Don't jump around. The sequence in this bootcamp exists for a reason. Now let me put this side by side because the contrast speaks for itself. On one side, what most people use: random YouTube videos with no structure, paid courses that charge upfront and disappear when you need help, recycle question dumps that teach you to memorize, not understand, and the feeling of figuring out it all completely alone. On the other hand, with CloudExpert Solutions, a structured, sequenced bootcamp built around the actual exam guide, 100% exam coverage, nothing missing, nothing irrelevant, real exam style practice test, and a team of instructors who answer within 24 hours every time. You don't need an expensive platform, you don't need a monthly subscription, you don't need to spend money on a question bank that won't prepare you. You need a clear plan and people who actually show up for you. That's what we are here. 3 weeks from now, you will either have the certification or you wish you would have started today. The plan is right here, the content is right here, and we are right here for you. Before you click the next video, 3 things I want you to do right now. 1. Bookmark the CloudExpert Solutions webpage. The URL is available in the video description and as a comment with this video. 2. Bookmark the YouTube playlist and commit to watch every module in order, not when you feel like it. And 3rd, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment right now. Introduce yourself, tell us where you are starting from, whether you have never heard of AWS before or you have been working in tech for years. We read every comment and we respond to every questions. The next module is AWS free tier and account setup. If you don't have an AWS account yet, we set up one together. It's free, it takes about 10 minutes and you will use it throughout the entire bootcamp. Let's go get the certification for you and see you in the next module. That wraps up this module. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AWS exam preparation courses and cloud certification bootcamps. Got questions or feedback for us? Drop them as comment to this video. We love to hear from you. Thanks for learning with us at CloudExpert Solutions. Together we can make cloud learning accessible to everyone. You are now one step closer to crushing your exam. See you in the next module.